The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is finally here, and let me tell you, this is not just a minor upgrade. Apple has taken everything we loved about the Ultra series and completely redefined it. From a lighter yet tougher titanium build, to a brighter and more responsive display, to game-changing battery life that finally rivals Garmin, this watch is designed for far more than just athletes and explorers. With smarter health tracking, AI-driven insights, and seamless connectivity across the Apple ecosystem, the Ultra 3 proves it's more than a rugged smartwatch. It's Apple's most versatile wearable yet. In today's video, we're diving deep into why the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is so much more than just a spec bump. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 has finally arrived, and it is already making waves across the smartwatch landscape. For years, Apple has led the way when it comes to design, usability, and health tracking, but the Ultra line has always been about something more, pushing the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do in the most demanding environments. The Ultra One was a bold move, a rugged, larger, and more capable watch that appealed not just to hardcore athletes, but also to anyone who wanted a wearable that looked and felt indestructible. The Ultra 2 built on that foundation with refinements in display brightness, processing speed, and ecosystem features. But the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is different. This is not just an incremental bump in specifications. It's a watch that redefines what the Ultra series is meant to be, and it sets the stage for how Apple intends to blend adventure, health, and everyday convenience into one powerful wearable. When you first hold the Apple Watch Ultra 3, the difference is noticeable. Apple has managed to refine the titanium casing so that it feels both lighter on the wrist yet somehow sturdier. The finish is more premium, with subtle refinements in texture and color options that make it look just as good in a boardroom as it does strapped over a wetsuit. The Ultra line has always leaned toward being a statement piece, but this time Apple has balanced ruggedness with elegance in a way that feels almost seamless. It doesn't scream, sports-only device anymore, it whispers, versatility. That might not sound dramatic, but it represents a fundamental shift in how Apple is positioning the Ultra 3. It's not just for divers, marathoners, or mountaineers anymore. It's designed for everyone who values performance without compromise. The display is where the first truly jaw-dropping upgrade comes in. Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of brightness and clarity, introducing a panel that reaches well beyond what the Ultra 2 offered. In bright sunlight, the Ultra 3 screen is almost shockingly clear, making maps, metrics, and notifications readable without squinting or shading your wrist. At night, the adaptive dimming ensures that it isn't overly harsh, instead providing a soft but precise readability that feels easy on the eyes. Apple's always-on display technology has also matured here, ensuring that the watch face looks vivid from every angle. But the bigger leap is in responsiveness. Scrolling, swiping, and interacting with apps feels faster than ever, thanks to a new chipset designed specifically for the Ultra 3. It's not just smoother, it feels almost instant, making previous models suddenly feel sluggish by comparison. One of the criticisms often leveled at the Apple Watch line, even the Ultra series, has been battery life. With the Ultra 1 and 2, Apple made progress, stretching usage further than the regular series, but for adventurers who spend days off the grid, it still wasn't enough. The Ultra 3 tackles this head-on with a re-engineered battery system and improved energy efficiency.